Sermon number 54. On the swearing of allegiance. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. They leapt upon me as the camels leap upon each other on their arrival for drinking water, having been let loose after unfastening of their forelegs, till I thought they would either kill me or kill one another in front of me. I thought over this matter in and out to the extent that it prevented me from sleeping. But I found no way except to fight them or else to reject whatever has been brought by Muhammad, may Allah's blessing and greeting be upon him and his progeny. I found that to face war was easier for me than to face the retribution, and the hardships of this world were easier than the hardships of the next world.